Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is November 13 and we're starting with a draw of pivot points on main majors. EURUSD and GBPUSD currency pairs. Evangelos Poulakis would help us. On EURUSD, the confirmation and development of the bullish sentiment did not succeed. The entire past week was occupied by a decrease and consolidation. As a result, the pair remained within the boundaries, breaking which could help change the current situation and provide new prospects for continued movement. At the moment, the market from above is limited by the accumulation of resistances around 1.0766 and below its supports, except for the daily Ichimoku cross 1.0657, 0638, 0627 and 0588. Include the weekly short-term trend 1.0603 and the monthly medium-term trend 1.0614. On lower timeframes, the market continues to be constrained by key levels, currently consolidating efforts around 1.0698, 0679, the central pivot point, plus weekly long-term trend. The prolonged lack of directional movement indicates uncertainty and wait-and-see position, although the main advantage remains on the bear's side. Intraday bearish targets today can be marked at 1.0664, 1.0643, and 1.0628, supports of classic pivot points. Consolidation above 1.069879 and a reversal of the movement can change the current balance of power on the lower timeframes. And for further strengthening of bullish sentiment, players will need to overcome the resistance of 1.0715 and 1.0736. Last week, bears could not completely neutralize all the previous achievements of the opponent. Nevertheless, they managed to decline below many current supports, so all the nearest levels from 1.2231 to 1.2325 past last week are now transformed into resistances, playing the role of top priority tasks for bulls to restore their positions. For bears, it's still important to eliminate the daily Ichimoku cross 1.2205. Overcome the support of the monthly medium-term trend 1.2093 and restore the downtrend 1.2036. At the moment, bears have the main advantage. To change the situation, bulls need to rise and consolidate above the weekly long-term trend 1.2284. Turning the movement in their favor. Intraday bearish targets during the continuation of the decline today we'll encounter the market at 1.2215, 1.2193, 1.2165, and 1.2143 classic pivot points. Gold, sweet gold, we've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitris Tapas. Early in the European session, gold is trading around 1940, below the 200 EMA and below the 21 SMA. The instrument is under strong bearish pressure. It's likely to continue its decline in the coming hours if it consolidates below 1946. The gold had a rapid fall towards 1921. And in a few minutes it returned to its previous level. This move could have made many traders lose if they were buying, so we should always set a stop loss when trading. In the 1-minute chart we can see that gold fell from 1940 to 1921, almost $20 of its price. According to the next 2-minute candlesticks, gold rebounded and reached 1940. This strong move occurred without any fundamental basis. However, we can conclude that gold is losing liquidity, which could lead to unexpected moves in the coming days. In the next few hours, we expect gold to continue declining until it reached 1921 and could even reach the 5-8 Muri level around 1906. On the other hand, if gold trades below 6-8 Muri level, located at 1937, there is the possibility of a bearish acceleration and it could reach the bottom of the downtrend around 1913. On the other hand, if gold breaks the downtrend channel, consolidates above the 200 EMA, breaks the 21 SMA, and consolidates above 1952, it could return towards 7-8 Muri level at 1968 and could even reach the psychological level of 2000 USD. Therefore, any technical bounce in the next hours, and as long as it trades within the downtrend channel and below the 200 EMA, will be seen as an opportunity to sell in the coming days. What about cross-currency pairs? Its GBPAUD area of Makmur describes. With CCI indicator that successfully breaks to its 3 important levels, as well as the price movement was above the Kumo and the Golden Cross Future Kumo. At the same time, Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, also Golden Cross, where their existence is above the Kumo, also Chikou span, which is above the Kumo, and above its price movement confirmed by the appearance of the bullish 1, 2, and 3 pattern, followed by bullish Ross hooks. Then we can conclude that GBPAUD on its 4-hour chart is in a bullish condition, so that in the near future the GBPAUD cross-currency pairs will try to test the level of 1.9261. If this level successfully breaks above, and then the level of 1.9337 will be the next target to be aimed off. But the reinforcement scenario will become invalid by itself if on the way to those levels there is a weakness correction until it breaks below the level of 1.8976. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USDJPY pair focused. Let's have a look. The yen is persistently heading towards its target at 151.95. If this results in the price consolidating above the target level, a new target at 153.20 will be opened, representing another embedded line in the price channel. The Marlin oscillator's signal line is gradually turning down, increasing the risk of a price reversal as it approaches the 153.20 target. The growth is expected to be slow. Tomorrow, the lower house of the US Congress will vote on a partial and proportional budget financing project. Transportation, energy, and military construction will be funded until January 19, and other sectors until February 2. Essentially, this implies the acknowledgement of a soft shutdown. But let's see how the markets will react to this. On the 4-hour chart, the Marlin oscillators lies horizontally against the background of a rising price. An attempt to overcome 151.95 may be unsuccessful. However, the pair will continue to rise for now. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.